you're doing a good job.
It's so hard.
Kinda Maria, she's barely Maria, but she's surely Maria, just kinda. I don't get it.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making spring rolls. Okay, well today I'm going to be teaching you how to make rice paper rolls. This is a good recipe if you're sick of eating salads, because I'm sick of eating salads. I've eaten salads all summer and I don't want to eat it all winter too. This is a good healthy balance because it's like a sandwich, but it's a salad in a sandwich. Gaming, information. Okay, let's go make spring rolls. I have chopped up some carrots, I have some basil, and I have some parsley, and we have some mint, salad greens, some mayo, I'm not sponsored, and hot sauce. And then the final ingredient is some avocado. These are not very nice avocado because they've been sitting in the back of my fridge. The most important thing is the rice paper roll. It comes in this kind of inconvenient packaging. If you've ever seen it, it looks like this. It's a paper and it's made out of rice. And then the most important thing is the meat. In order to make spring rolls, you need water. You need to soak these in water. I don't have a flat bowl or anything like that, so I'm using this pen to unceremoniously baptize this rice paper roll so that it can turn into a saved being. But in the meantime, this is when you would be chopping up your cucumber, but I already did that. But we can chop up the meat because it's right here. It's cold, so I'm gonna chop these up into strips. This is just the sirloin tip that I roasted. I would say you can use ham, you can use spam, you can use bam.
And I don't give a damn.
Oh shit! You gotta start layering, okay? So you gotta put your meat down, and then you gotta put some cucumber. You can put some bell pepper in here, but I don't got no bell pepper, so I'm not putting it in there, but I did it before. I put some carrot, and then I put a nice basil leaf, a nice mint leaf, and a parsley leaf. And then we got some spinach, some salad, some salad. Okay, wrapping the rice paper roll. You know, you always see these YouTube videos of people wrapping rice paper roll and they make it seem so easy when it's not. This is what it's actually like, okay? This is a day in the life of a rice paper roller. And you roll, and you roll, and you tuck it in, and you tuck it in, and you roll, and you got the rice paper roll! Oh! It's like a pretty sandwich. I forgot!
The sauce.
I forgot to put the sauce
That's
in
what I was
there.
thinking as you were doing it.
Why didn't you tell? I forgot to put the sauce last time, but that's okay. That's all right. We're gonna add some mayonnaise. But I'd say like 2 parts mayo, 1 part sriracha, depending on how much heat you like. Some carrot, cucumber, some parsley, some basil, some mint. We're gonna do this again. We're gonna roll. And it's a spring roll. It's a beautiful little rice paper roll. Look, it's so neat. It makes it look like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Okay, and I forgot the avocado. Oh my
What's
god!
wrong with you, dude?
Sriracha, mayo, nasty avocado, cucumber, carrots, basil, mint, grass. Am I forgetting something? Is there something I can put on this? I don't know. Wrap it. And there you go. Ta-da! Doesn't it look so good? It looks so pretty and nice and everything's so uniform. Wow, so nice. And here we have the rice paper rolls. Aren't they so pretty? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs like. And if you like my channel, wow.